Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to let you know that about WPS Office and I am going to let you know that how PDF works in WPS Office, or you can see as how you can create a PDF and create PDF from the file, and you can also open your file and you can edit from here, or you can create a blank PDF. So I'm going to let you know that how you can create a blank PDF in WPS Office. Friends, here is the you can say as home page or interface of unnamed PDF design. So I can edit its name as well, and I can rename, but now I am not going to rename it. I am going to just create a PDF. I can also come from I can also create from my old files like WPS files, pictures, images, text files, but I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to add some text, or you can say as pictures. So here is no limitations are set for editing text and PDF to Word and separating and me learn more. So friends, you can see it is a free trial, so nothing is available. I can do nothing in it. I will have to buy its premium version, but I can open an old file from here as well. So you can see here is the main file. I'm going to open PDF. I am going to create from the PDF file. Here is some, I think first of all I will come up with its copy. Is it available? No, it's not available for copy purpose. It is just available for I can just open it, you can see, and I can edit my old PDF files. Friends, it is very simple. You can add your own logos, pictures, images, text, files, links, and pages, designs, and graphics post. Anything you can adjust in it. It is totally free. And let's suppose I want to do some change, review article. Let me show you how it works. I can just I will have to buy for its premium version if I want to make some change, and I can just type in it. I can resize these text. I can make I can change these colors, and I can put my own colors here. Like I can drag my pencil and I can make marks on it so that it will be clearly visible. So let's suppose I want to create some mark around it, so I can create like this one, but you can also change colors from here. I wanted to create like some yellowish type to make my text bold. I can do like this, and I can change the brush pencil. Let's suppose like this one. Let's suppose I want to make it bold. I can let me do again. Done. Let's change its color, like which one to choose, which one. Done. I can do like this. I can do like this one. So I am going to create again like this one. It is presenting a beautiful view. You can see it is a view presenting a view of a highlighter, and you can also export your highlights and hide annotations. I think it is annotations, and you can also come to note mode. So you can just drag your text here and can make highlights around it. You can highlight your pictures, your graphics post, or your some important you can say paragraphs and pictures as well. So I'm going to create a quick overview around it. So let me show you that how much I makes around it. It presents a very sharp view which is not looking good. So I will not prefer to recreate or re-highlight your highlighted text. So I think you got some idea how you can do all these things, and it is very simple and easy way to edit your PDF in WPS Office. But you will have to sign in with your Gmail ID, and you will have to any ID which on which you have created your account, and you will have to sign in, and you will have to buy its premium version. So I'm going to close now because I do not want to make any change, and I do not want to make any change, so I'm going to close it. So I think you got some idea how you can do this. I will see you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.